a comprehensive tour throughout econometrics methods for policy evaluation. So I do believe there is a need for methods in many instances, so academics, research, and also institutional research, live. So what people can bring out from our course is a knowledge of the link between theory and the practical illustration of a method. So we do believe we give students the chance to learn something in theory and learn something hands-on. Maybe the Big Bang Theory, because it may be still very fun to work on quantitative issues with your friends.